Right then, ladies and gentlemen, so as you can see, obviously it didn't turn out amazing, but like I said with the other side, I know with how far along the rust has come, I'm never really going to get it perfect, and this is literally just to get me by for the time being, so it keeps the rust at bay until I can get myself a welder and some new arches that I can weld on. But yeah, more than anything, you know, I'm still new to all of this sort of filling and painting game, stuff like that. I'm always learning, you know, so I feel like I'm getting better, a little bit better every time. You know, we're not quite fully there. I think on plastic stuffs like airboxes and things like that, and just plastic panels, then I'm all right. But as far as bodywork is, like, there's a lot of work to be done, a lot of improvement to be done, as you can see by what I'm doing at the minute. But for the most part, you know, like I said, it's better than the rusty crusty piece of metal it was before. Things should be better once I can weld a new panel in. But yeah, that is it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time, peace.